Which food is good for your lovebirds, cocktail and budgie? I daily give them mixed food to my lovebirds. You can see seeds, red rice, corn and so many things in it. They don't like millets because they want variety in their food. So choose better food for themselves so they can eat happily. I prefer mixed food over millets, and these are sunflower seeds they like in their diet. Without this food they don't like other food. Daily they want this food. Give them spinach once in a week in summer because they like greenery and they are fond of it. Carrots is good for their eyes, so give them in summer. They love chickpeas, so whenever you want to give them, just soak before that night and then give them in morning. Boiled egg is also good for their health. Lovebirds, cocktail and budgie, so you should give them. They like corn in their diet, but once in a week is good for them, not daily. Boiled potatoes is also good. Loosen grass, it is important for their breeding system. Give them in winter because it is helpful for them. They also like dry fruits, you can give them. Apple without seeds are good for them. Give them grapes, juicy fruits they like most. They like mango because it's juicy. You can give them watermelon because they like. Cucumber is good for them. They like cherries, you can give them. They like banana, you can also give them. If you ask further, you can comment me. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel.